Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese. First, gather your ingredients, fresh milk, a starter culture, and rennet. You'll also need a large pot, a thermometer, and cheesecloth. Cleanliness is paramount, so sanitize all your equipment thoroughly before you begin. This preparation ensures a safe and delicious outcome for your homemade cheese. Once your milk is ready, gently heat it to about 90 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is ideal for the starter culture to activate. Stir in your chosen starter culture, allowing it to work for approximately 1 hour. Next, add the rennet, which will cause the milk to coagulate and form a solid curd. This transformation is the magical first step. After the curd has set, it's time to cut it into small, uniform pieces, perhaps 1/2 inch cubes. This increases the surface area, helping to release the whey. Gently stir and heat the curds for about 30 minutes, which further expels moisture and firms them. Finally, carefully drain the liquid whey, leaving behind the solid cheese curds. Now, press your curds to remove any residual whey and shape them into a solid block. This step is crucial for the cheese's final texture. Next, salt the cheese, which not only adds flavor, but also helps preserve it. Finally, age your cheese in a cool, humid environment for a period ranging from a few weeks to several months, developing its unique character.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.